So again, if you're given an equation, you can take it to the calculator. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a new document. Number 1, don't save, and then number 2 for graphs. You can go ahead and type this in the way you see it. Negative x squared plus 2x plus 15. Now when you graph it in the calculator, it's going to look like this. The top of it is kind of cut off, but that's okay. If you do what I've told you, if you do menu 5-1, you'll be all right, okay? Because then you can just shift left or right to get to the points, okay? So menu 5-1. Now, what is that first point that it popped up with right there? Yeah, it's on that vertical line, which is the y-axis. So that is the y-intercept, and it tells you what it is down here. It is 0, 15. So for y-intercept, we can go ahead and write 0, 15. Does everyone see that the y-intercept is not just 15? It is 0, 15. Hey. All right, everyone doing this with me? When you're absent, over here, right? So the very first folder has extra warm-up sheets. On Monday, you can put holiday, Tuesday, sub, Wednesday, PSAT. Yesterday, if you were absent, you could put absent. So there you go. All right, but everyone has that y-intercept, right? Now, y-intercept. Now you go left and right when you can shift, and we want to get that vertex. Actually, first of all, let's answer this question. Does it open up or does it open down? What do you think? Okay, it gets wider going down, so it's opening going down, so it's an open down situation. Vertex. Now, if we move to the right, we can get to the top of this hill, and it tells us what it is. See the little yellow box? So it says it's a maximum, right? Hey. Thank you. So it is a maximum, so we can put that, and then it tells us the vertex point at the bottom here, 1, 16, and it's a maximum. If it was at the bottom of a U shape, it would be a minimum. Yes. It's only left and right, not up and down. Yeah, so it's weird. Like it looks like I need to go up, but you actually go left or right, and it'll work. So yeah. Good question. Now, axis of symmetry. Axis always has what at the beginning? X. Like an axis has the letter X, right? Right? Where's my stick? By the way. Thank you. All right. So axis has X equals, and then now what does X equal? So imagine drawing a line through the middle. It's going to go through this vertex. So what is the X value of the vertex? 1. That might be the hardest one to remember, is that axis of symmetry always has X equals, and it's the X value of the vertex. Now, x-intercepts, by the way, what are 3 other names for an x-intercept? 0, solution, someone said, and then, bless you, roots. Zeros, solutions, roots, x-intercepts are all the same thing, okay? So x-intercepts, I'm going to keep going to the left until I get to the x-axis. Oh, overshot it. And it says 0. That means x-intercept, right? So I got this one right here. It says it's negative 3, 0. Please be careful because that may not be the only one. And I can clearly see there's one over here. So I got to go click to the right a lot until I get over there. Click, 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 click. And there it is. My other 0 is 5, 0 for my x-intercept. Yes. If there are 2, yes. Okay, now check it out. Sometimes there's none. Sometimes there's one. And then usually it'll cross twice and there's two. So if there's more than one, give me both. If there's only one, give me one. If there's none, put none. And I say that, but it's multiple choice, so you just have to identify them on today's quiz. So it is Friday, so make sure your name is on the top of your warm-ups. Make sure they're all filled out. Put absent any day you were absent. You can pass those to the front. Again, make sure your name is on it. I'll pick those up. And then, like I said, we're taking a quiz today. I'll pass that out. When you finish your quiz, make sure you've turned in all of the quadratic assignments, okay? You'll have some time after you finish to work on that.